Q4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that we'll discuss here with you. Now, just before we get started, we do daily videos talking about passive income streams, as well as daily videos revealing profitable Amazon KDP keywords for those that are publishing in Amazon KDP. These videos are really helpful for you. We do analyze the profitability of each of the keywords using the 4 free Chrome extensions that are available for to everyone, and I've made a detailed video talking about the Chrome extensions that I'm using and the correct way to use them. You will find that video linked in the description box below. Also, there is 2 gifts for you today in the description box below. We've got 2 30-day free trials for Creative Fabrica All Access free trial for 30 days. Also, Canva Pro free trial for 30 days if you do not yet have an active subscription for Creative Fabrica as well as Canva Pro. Highly recommend you take advantage of these 2 free trials linked in the description and the comment section below. Let's get started with the first keyword for the day, and the first keyword for the day is Christmas word search puzzles for adults. Christmas word search puzzles for adults has a keyword niche score 36 by Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension, which gives us this beautiful profitability data right over here, as well as the total results 1,941. So it is around that 1,000-2,000 range, which I'm personally happy with in such a competitive keyword or niche such as Christmas. Also, the average bestseller rank is 599,766. I prefer it to be around that 400,000 range, but personally I'm quite happy with this right over here, because you can cut through the high bestseller rank by niching down, and we're going to talk about how you can niche down and create unique books using this keyword. Also, we've got an average reviews of 314 and an average price of $7.89. Great keyword right here. We also have a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro free Chrome extension, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 8. Now, they have a scale of a keyword niche score, Amazon Scout Pro, from the number 1 to the number 9, 9 being the highest. So I'm personally happy with number 8, and I find that it complements with the data right over here, especially with the total results and the bestseller rank. So what you're doing here, you're creating a word search puzzle book that is about Christmas and for adults. It's not yet understandable whether the adults that you're creating for your target audience are male, female, whether they work in a specific industry, so you can make it more customized, such as whether they're nurses, teachers, students, moms, seniors. It's not yet clear, and this is something that you can niche down to and cut through that high bestseller rank if this is a concern for you. And you also would like it to be around that 8.5 times 11 inches, so large print preferably. And the more that you add in terms of the quantity, the more word searches that you add, the better it is, because that way it gives that perceived value. This one, for example, has 82 word search activities. This one has 35 with a font size that is extra large print. This one has 1,000 Christmas word search puzzle book activities. So the more you're able to create, the better. Also, the cover design works well with these. Usually people don't pay too much attention to the interior, because they all understand it is basically, word search activities and puzzles inside of there. So they pay more attention to the exterior, to the cover, rather than the interior of the pages. So let's head over to the Creative Fabrica and let's see if there's some Christmas word search puzzles available in their KDP interiors list. So let's have a look. Copy and paste the title. And we have a total of 388 results. We do want to filter them out according to the KDP interiors, and we are left with a total of 369 results of Christmas word search puzzle books. Now, you can go ahead and use these, but it is advised to change them around. I'm not saying change the actual words, but change the look, change the font size, the font style, add a border, add some elements, take out some elements, make it unique as much as possible, but don't interfere with the actual words and the the way the letters are laid out, because that's just going to give the wrong results as well. Also, preferably, it would be best if you could have some kind of that funny twist, that educational twist, fun facts in there as well. Maybe some Christmas quotes that are not trademarked, anything to add that extra value and make your book stand out. So let's have a look at the second keyword for today's video. And the second keyword is Christmas cross-stitch patterns. Christmas cross-stitch patterns has a keyword niche score of 44 and a total results around that 1,000, 2,000 range, sitting at 2,277. Also, the average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal, and it's what we're looking for in most cases. So it averages at 254,182. The average reviews are 455, and the average price is $6.90. So you're basically creating a workbook or a activity book or a actual paperback / book that contains cross-stitch patterns. If you would like to create a comprehensive book, you can include some patterns in there and then some instructions to how to get started making these cross-stitch patterns. If that's something that you're looking at creating, you could alternatively also search for Creative Fabrica. They have a list of some really nice embroidery and cross-stitch patterns, which we'll have a look. Let's see if they have any Christmas ones. So we just simply went to Creative Fabrica and we've searched Christmas cross-stitch patterns. We're left with a total of 123 results right over here, and we are going to go to category section and we're going to filter according to cross-stitch patterns. We are left with a pure 112 results for cross-stitch patterns, and over there you'll be able to compile a list of your favorite top patterns and then include them in the book in a very nice to understand format. So let's, for example, head over to this one. I'm just looking at this together with you live. I have not yet inspected, and this is what it shows you inside. This is what it looks like, and this is the interior as well. So this is not a kit, no floss or fabric are included, of course, because it's a basic digital download, and it says you will download 3 versions of the chart, patterns only, not kits. Yes, you will get a chart 1, which is color block charts, chart 2, which is symbols over color charts, and chart 3, which is black symbols over white chart. I would, for example, include 15, 20, 30 of the top favorite cross-stitch patterns. Take these out, try to create a table of contents for them, try to create a how to use page, a introduction page, some fun facts about Christmas, or some fun facts about, cross stitching and the tradition of cross stitching would add that educational element. Remember, the more you over deliver, the better, but there are some customers who are looking for straightforward direct books where it's just straight away, there's that cover, there is this book belongs to, if you want to include that, and then there is a table of contents which includes the 30 or the 20 designs that are in there, and each design has the 3 charts that we talked about. My apologies for the background noise. Let's have a look at the third keyword for today's video, and then we'll be ending it. So the third keyword is Christmas children activity book for kids ages 4 to 8 bulk, and it has a keyword niche score of 28 and a total results around that 4,000 mark. I know it's pretty high, but you can easily cut through that by doing a couple of strategies. So I wouldn't be too concerned about it. And usually the Christmas niche is overwhelmed. So if you do want to create some Christmas books, bear in mind that the majority of the results will be around that 4,000, that 3,000, 2,000 minimum range. So don't be too concerned about that, because it is quite difficult to find a profitable niche. I will be on the constant search to give you an updated list of profitable Christmas niches for Q4 as requested in the comment section by the lovely viewers. So the total results are 4,548 and the average bestseller rank is 63,028. The average reviews are 1,656. You're creating a Christmas activity book for children. Their ages are between 4 to 8 and is bulk, so preferably 8.5 times 11 inches book. My apologies, preferably it is around a large print, as I said, and also bulk. So the more quantity of activities, the more activities you include in there, the better it is, because customers are specifically looking for extra content. They're looking for a mega bulk book that contains a lot of activities to keep children occupied, to keep children busy, to keep children entertained and educated as well. So try to create a book that is about that contains activities inside and coloring sheets, because it's both a activity and coloring book in there. So pay attention to the detail. And also when it comes to niching down in order to cut through the high total results, if that's a concern for you, you can niche down according to the gender, create a specific mega activity coloring book for children that are aged 4 to 8, but for girls, for boys, that are create that educational twist, create that funny twist as well, for you to niche down to just be unique and have something that is different to what the majority of the publishers have. So let's go ahead and copy and paste this section. We want to paste this section to Creative Fabrica and have a look, just a peek through at the activities section, at the KDP interior section, to see what we're able to use. So I'm going to paste that right in. Now, apologies, it has pasted the previous keyword. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it again. Please bear with me. So Christmas Children Activity Coloring Book, we are left with 6,087 results. And let's head over to Coloring Pages, Books and Kids. We've got KDP Interiors, which leaves us with 371. And we have a large list, 371 results of different activities and coloring sheets to do with Christmas as well. Some crosswords, some word search puzzle books, activity books and sheets. This one's 225. This one right over here is more of a 12 days of Christmas coloring book, and this is something that we could also search for. So it was the third keyword for the day: Christmas Children Activity Coloring Book for kids ages 4 to 8 book. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I appreciate every single one of you. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.